Hi all, in this video we are going to see about how to apply ICSR research project, major and minor. Before going to this video, those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel for recent updates on research related news. So ICSR research projects, ICSR invites online applications from the academicians, social scientists and as well as research organization both in terms of major and minor research projects for the year 2021 and 22. Every year they call for research project. This year they have invited the application up to September 6, 2021. On Monday, you can apply the research proposal. The proposed study should be multidisciplinary in nature and it should be related to social science discipline. This is a main criteria the ICSR is expect from the researchers. And the scholar is permitted to apply two schemes simultaneously. But in case of selection on the two schemes, the candidate in consultation with the ICSR will take only one study. And those who are already continuing with the ICSR are not take up the first study. So only they will allow after completion of the ongoing study. And for the research project major and minor, these are all the some disciplines they will expect from the research scholars as well as the academicians related to social science like sociology, social anthropology, political science area, economics, international studies, social geographical and population studies, commerce and related to management areas, social psychology, education, social linguistic, law, international law, national security, and other social science disciplines like library science, social work, media studies, social history, health studies, areas related to Sanskrit, social, society, and culture. So they are all apply this minor and major research project, but the studies would be limited with the nature of social science discipline. And how to apply? So this year the ICSSR has introduced the good portal system for applying the proposal, that is online mode. So first you want to log in to apply either a fellowship or any type of scheme. And first you want to register yourself, create the username and password. And after that, using the username and password, you can log in yourself using your account. Then there are different schemes will be demonstrated. You want to fulfill the different norms criteria asked by the ICSSR and you can finally submit the scheme. All related hard copies should be reached to ICSSR office, New Delhi. Okay, and this is a login page. This is a login page, so you can log in yourself. First you want to create a username and password. First you want to create a username and password. So this is a ICSSR website, ICSSR dot ICSSR.org, and this is a link called login for applicant. And here also the proposal invitation will be displayed here. Recently, they have announced two schemes. ICSR invites online application for the ICSR research program, and another one is ICSR invites online application for research projects. So, in the tender and advertisement column, also you may find the information on research projects call. Right? This is the research projects call. So login for applicant, you just click login for applicant. Though I have already created a login ID, so just like here, this is a username and password and I have submitted. Automatically username password will be allotted to you. Using the same username password, you can enter. If you enter, then automatically this page will come. So these are all different schemes. Left side you may find the different schemes. Here in the grid side, you will get lot of information. So here there is a scheme called research major and minor program will be displayed. These are all the other programs: doctoral fellowship, postdoctoral fellowship. If you want to apply postdoctoral fellowship, you can click and apply. Capacity building program, grant in aid supporting, and scholars under cultural exchange program. So all schemes are displayed here. So as we are going to see research major and minor program, so that we are going to click and apply the scheme. Fine. Yes, like this page will be displayed, dashboard page. And once you click the page, once you click the page, so suppose we are clicking here, view, as I have already uh, processed, so the edit application will be complete coming. So here you want to fill the board of research discipline as per ICSR list. You want to check which field you are going to apply, and before that, minor or major research project. Minor project, you can quote up to 5 lakh rupees, and major research projects you can quote up to 15 lakh rupees, 5 lakh to 15 lakh rupees. Broad research discipline you want to fill, the name of the applicant, address for communication, state, pin code, and your permanent address, date of birth, mother's information, father's information, about your service information, employer's details, and your category of caste, I mean gender, and other details you want to fulfill. If you already got any funding from ICSR, that details also want to fulfilled. And if you also receive any funding from other institutions like UGC and all, that information also want to fulfill. If you fill these details, you just click next. You just click next. It is go for major and minor research projects. Here you want to fill the details about educational qualification of the project director, research experience of the project director. Already, if any projects have completed, these details can be in. I mean, they want to you want to fulfill in the particular column, and how many papers you have published, journal details, name of the journal, year, month of issue, whether it is a UGC or Scopus listed, that information also want to provide. If any research projects you already carried out, that the high research project, that is capacity of best 3 research projects, can be given in the participation in research project column. Any other information related to academic achievement, that also can be provided with the 100 words. And which institution you are affiliated currently, that information you want to provide. What type of institution, whether it is a central university, state university, ICS, regional center, this information also can be included. And other project coordinators, I mean other project co-directors, so you can enter maximum of 3 project co-directors, their names, present position, and institution. So these details you can fulfill. After that, now we are enter into project proposal. This is a very important area in the research project. Here you want to provide the title of the research proposal, abstract, maximum 300 words, and introduction part of your research project, maximum 400 words, and the review of literature column, both national and international put together, you can provide not less than 15 to 20 important works, but the words should be limited to 600 words. Then fifth area is identification of research gap, 300 words, and very important, sixth one, objectives of your proposed research study, approximately 200 words. And what would be the research question or hypothesis to be explored, 200 words. Then proposed methodology of the research, 400. Innovation of your proposed research, 150 to 200 words. And what would be the expected outcome, such as papers in journals, edited books, and all, you are going to provide or support to your project. It should be like in 300 words. Any new data to be generated, it's about 150 words. Relevance on your proposed study for policy making, around 150 words. And relevance to be given for proposed study for the society, 200 words. And apart from that, the research project proposal, you also want to provide the quarter wise, the first quarter, what are all the activities you are going to perform, second quarter, third quarter, like that. You want to provide up to 8 quarters maximum. So if it is a major research project, 2 year, or minor research projects up to 1 year. Then budget duration, what is the total grant expected, you want to type here, and duration of the proposed month you want to provide in the month. It is a 24 months or 6 months, yes, in the minor. Maximum 1 year will be given for minor research project, and 24 months for major research project. And these are all the proposed budget of the study under expenditure heads like research staff, field investigator, or you are going to appoint research assistant, what is the salary, everything you want to provide here. Then justification, you want to provide why you are appointing research staff, that you want to provide the justification for data collection and etc. Field work, equipment, and study material required. Finally, you enter the place and date of submission. You can also scan your signature. And finally, the forward letter, you should be download in the letterhead format from your institution. You can download it. You can get a signature from the principal or register of your university, or principal in case the institution. Then upload the here. Also upload the project director and co-project director's signature and their brief CV. Okay, that should be also attached here. If you are belongs to SC/ST community, then or a certificate of disability issued by the competent authority, that certificate also to be upload here. Finally, you can enter final submit. Save draft and final submit. Automatically, the application will be generated and saved in the system. So this year ICSSR has introduced this particular portal very nicely, and everybody can easily can able to follow. And this is our personal details. That's what I have explained here. And these are all the qualification and research details. Here you want to provide in the your qualification from UG, PG, PhD, MPhil and all. These are all the project proposal. The same information I have already explained you in the website itself. These are all the project proposal you want to enter here. And very important, don't forget to upload the annexer documents. It is very important. And what are all the guidelines to be followed for major and minor research project? So research grant is for direct financial support for a research projects whoever is going to undertake. And ICSR provides funding to Indian scholars, Indian research scholars and academicians for perform the research for finding out or cutting edging research in various fields of social science, maybe related to theoretical, conceptual, and methodological, as well as policy implication in nature. And it maybe belongs to any of the social science discipline, or it may be related to multidisciplinary in nature. And what is the eligibility to apply ICSR major and minor research project? Your institution like ICSR research institutes and are recognized with the institutes of national importance defined by the Ministry of Education, or UGC recognized Indian universities and colleges with the 12B certification are all eligible to apply. And other registered organization with established research and academic standing may also collaborate any of the above mentioned institutions for implementing the study, may also join as a project director and co-director, and you can also apply. Suppose your institution is not that coming under list, you can collaborate with other organization and apply. Both project director and co-project director must possess a PhD degree. Very important. And this condition of PhD for a co-project director can be relaxed if he or she has very credible research publication. In case you have high research publication, suppose you are a co-project director, it will be relaxed from the PhD. And senior government and defense officers not less than 25 years of regular service, they are also eligible to apply. So both project director and co-project director must possess the PhD degree. If the PhD is not important for a co-project director, but she or he must have more research publication in his or her credit. And individual scholars can apply maximum of 2 projects at time, but if both the projects are selected, the applicant can choose only one project. How to apply? You want to register yourself, that is through online application only. In the research proposal format, you want to apply. And at this stage, you need not submit any document other than those referred in the application form. So any hard copy is not required, unless otherwise if they ask, you want to submit, otherwise no problem. The scholars are required to keep the hard copies of their application and annexure ready, duly forwarded by the competent authority of the university or college, so that they may submit the required hard copies within 1 week after the completion of process of screening. So after process of screening, the ICSR will ask, at the time you can submit the hard copies with necessary attachments. So in case the hard copy of the application is not received within 10 days of asking from ICSSR, the candidates or applications shall be treated as withdrawn or cancelled. And very important, my dear colleagues, research proposals and final reports should either in the language of English or Hindi. And one applicant can apply only once under a particular research project scheme. However, C or C can apply separately for another scheme. Procedure for awards of minor and major research projects. And after applying the applicants through online mode, it will be scrutinized by the ICSSR Secretariat and by the screening committee. And the eligible applicants are to be examined by the expert committee, and they will be interact with the project director or project co-director. Either they will call for personally or through online mode. So they will conduct interface meeting. The expert committee will make the recommendation for award of studies and also suggest budget for the recommended studies of major and minor research projects. What is the duration and value you can quote for major and minor research projects? For major research project, it is at 12 to 24 months, and the minor research projects 6 to 12 months. So maximum 1 year is given for minor and maximum 2 years for major. The budget quoted for major research project will range from 5 to 15 lakh, and for minor research projects up to 5 lakh. And the amount will be dispersed by ICSR to the respective project director in equal installments. And the different installment level, depending on the phases and duration of the study, they will release the amount. And ICSE also reserves the right, based on the expert opinion or expert committee recommendation, they may also convert the proposal to major to minor or vice versa. So this is the budget estimates. So very important, my dear colleagues, research staffs out of the expected budget for research staff not exceeding 45%. Field work you can put up to 35%. Equipment and study material 12%. For contingency expenses maximum of 5%, and 5 to 6% remains with the ICSSR for publication of report, and the institutional overhead is another 5%. So total of out of 100%, these are all the ratios you can distribute among on various headings. You can prepare the budget while you are applying the major or minor research projects. So at the research staff, we can appoint research associate, research assistant, and field investigator. In case of research associate, 20,000 per month will be provided. He should have like a postgraduate net or MPhil with our PhD. Research assistant means again 16,000 per month, PhD, MPhil, postgraduate with a minimum of 55 percentage. And the field investigator, a maximum of 15,000 per month will be given, but not exceeding 6 months. Qualification postgraduate in social science discipline. Okay. Then this is a joining and releasing of grants. So after scrutinizing the research project, if your research project is sanctioned, and you will be join and release the, I mean, join the research project by filling the 100 rupees stamp paper. You want to provide the undertaking and declaration form, and you want to send to ICSSR for joining report and all other necessary documents. And the first installment after receiving that agreement form, the first installment will be released by the ICSS at 25 percentage. The second installment will be released after receiving the satisfactory report of 6 month or 12 month progress according to the project. Third installment will be released after receiving second progress report. Fourth installment of 15% will be released after receiving book length of final report. And the final settlement 10% will be received after receipt of the recommendation of the expert based on the final report, audited statement, and UC. So 5 to 6% will be kept by ICSSR. This can be utilized for the spend of ICSSR publication division for if your project is satisfied to need of ICSSR for publication. And these are all the steps to be monitored by ICSSR project. Research undertaken by project director will be reviewed through advisory committee. And the duration of the project, the scholars are required to publish at least 2 research paper. My dear colleagues, please note out, you want to publish at least 2 research paper in case of major and 1 research paper in case of minor. And it should be published in either a Scopus or UGC Careless journal. And while you are publishing, you want to give the acknowledgement for the ICSSR funding agency. And after completion of the research or after completion of the tenure, first you want to prepare the soft copy with executive summary and abstract, and it's with the plagiarism report you want to submit to the ICSR, and they will suggest some incorporating changes and all. After incorporating the changes, you want to submit hard copy of the final report. Again, you want to submit 2 hard copies of the modified final report. It should be free from plagiarism, and 10 copies of executive summary, final soft copy, and in pen drive, both PDF as well as pen drive format, as well as published research paper. It should be approved theme of the research, and it can be also acknowledged to ICSSR. So these are all the important documents you want to submit after completion of your research study. And these are all the obligations of the affiliating institution, and affiliating institution is required to provide undertaking and form in the prescribed format. Research infrastructure should be established in the institution, and affiliating institutions should also open ICSR grant scheme code 0877 account. It should be registered under PFMS, Public Fund Monitoring System portal. You should register, I mean the affiliating institution want to register under PFMS portal, and affiliating institution will be under obligation to ensure submission of the final report. After completion of the project, the project director should be submit utilization certificate and audited expenditure certificate on the particular project to the ICSSR. It should be ensured by the affiliating institution. These are all the other conditions. So for in case of major project, the maximum period is 2 years, and minor projects maximum period is 1 year. And for minor projects as well as major projects, there will be some extension of 3 to 4 months will be given. in certain reasons behind. If it all reasons are acceptable, they will give some extension, but no financial commitment from the ICSSR part. And applicant may submit more than one proposal against the call, but only one research program or project can be undertake from the project director. And foreign trip is not permittable under this particular scheme. There will be a gap of minimum 2 years between two ICSR research projects and program. And MOE, that is Ministry of Education, the amount of grant sanction is to be utilized within the duration of the project. If any unspent amount released by the ICSSR, it can be refunded to the ICSSR immediately after expiry of the duration of the projects. There are other conditions are also listed in the ICSSR website. You can go through it. And this is a forwarding letter format. It is also to be downloaded from the ICSSR website. And so these are all the documents. Once again, you just check here ICSSR online applications. Here it will given all important information whatever we have discussed so far. So here if you click here research projects guidelines, you will get all information whatever we have discussed: eligibility procedure, research staff, how much you can distribute, research associate. These are all the other conditions. And this is the format you can easily download forwarding letter for the ICSSR you will get from the affiliating institution. And for others information, this is the link to apply, and this is the application procedure. And if you have any technical assistance, you can also email the program officer, that is CCC at icssr.org address. Also you can go there and you can clarify any doubt. So these are all the further details: link to apply, application procedure, and guidelines. And wish you all the best. Thank you once again for watching my video. Please subscribe for recent update on research. Thank you all.